Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's KJ again, and most of you are thinking, is it too late to buy crypto? And the answer is no. There will be no such thing to be too late to buy crypto. There won't be a thing for at least 10 years or something, right? And look at the market right now. Everything is green, a lot of good stuff right now happening. But the thing is, you need to understand where we are at the market and what's going on. And like, as you can see, most of the coins are random that they were dead for a lot of things, right? And now they're popping up. One of the best movers was XRP, and I was talking about XRP when it was at 57 cents, right? At 57 cents.
Yeah, it could
And
spike anytime, and this is a nice
listen.
buying opportunity for
Just
all
listen.
of us because XRP is here to stay. It's not going to die. And for a few years, I was like really bearish on XRP, and now I started to understand that XRP is pretty nice project, and it's here to stay. It's here to stay, and it's pretty cheap now. And I see a lot of potential in XRP.
Okay, that's what we missed because this video had only 10 views, so none of you bought XRP who are watching my videos. None of you. You missed the boat. And right now, what's going on with XRP? It's still climbing, but do you think it go up again? Like from my call, it's already 5x. And you think you can buy XRP now and be in profits? Well, I don't think so that XRP right now is the best option to buy because it already popped really crazy, and we had really flat past few years, right, on XRP, and now it boomed. And when it booms, when it goes high like that, then it will be a time that XRP will go down pretty fast. But you need to understand that right now XRP, like who's buying XRP is the exit liquidity. The exit liquidity, and you don't want to be the exit liquidity. I mean, I could be wrong on XRP. I could be like really negative right now. Maybe it will pop to $10 like a lot of people are saying right now, right? But if you want to buy XRP, just wait for a pullback. There should be a pullback to retest those levels again, and to catch that liquidity, because a lot of people are trading XRP with liquidity, with high liquidity, right? They're going with 20x, 40x margins, and they will get a margin call if they're like not selling right now. And I would sell here. I would sell here and be happy with my 5x. And why should I keep it right now? Just the plan right now is to sell, wait for a pullback, then buy the bag lower. Buy the bag lower. Why you need to risk it? Because right now it's really risky. XRP went 400%, and in the past month it went 400%. That's crazy good news for all of the XRP holders, because they were really struggling in the past 4 years or something. They were holding the bags. They were like probably in a minus. Now it's time for a payday. It's time for a payday, and I think we should see a pullback to at least $2 or something like that. For now, I would say we could go easily to $1.8. So it's not a bad place to be buying XRP again. And if we're saying XRP will go up and will go to the moon, yeah, it could go to the moon because it's unstoppable right now. But we already see some red candles here. And, this red candle pretty much shows me that we should get a pullback just like at least 20% from now. And after that, I want to see what's going on with XRP, but it's not a buy right now. It's not a buy, in my opinion. Of course, this is just my perspective. You should do your own research on anything, but let's talk about bread. So bread, I was speaking about bread about 7 cents, right? 7, 8 cents. I was speaking on 10 cents, 15 cents. I was speaking about bread a lot, and bread finally climbed to this level, right? It's popped even my chart, and this chart shows where you should cash out if you're trading bread, right? This chart just shows the trajectory where bread is going, but it's still working for me, right? But I'm not sure how long it will work because bread will increase massively, and it's going to be crazy because Coinbase is working a lot on active users, to increase active users. And right now it's probably like 20-25 million active users on Coinbase, and they are working to increase those active users to 1 billion. And of course it will take time. It will take a lot of time to work that and make it work, but Coinbase is doing a crazy job. And imagine when the active users on Coinbase increase to 100 million, right? And Brett is not listed on Coinbase yet. And who wants to invest in Coinbase? They can buy the stock, of course, but Coinbase has the base chain has no coin, like base chain has no coin like Ethereum has, like Solana has. And Coinbase has the meme coin. And the meme coin, the number one meme coin on base chain is bread. And that what gives you the bread. That what gives you the bread. And you need to understand that Coinbase will still improve. Coinbase will get those at least 100 million active users on their chain, on Coinbase, on everything, like for example. And Coinbase will show us why they're a good exchange, why they're doing this. And bread will increase in price. There's no other option. And bread is still a good buy. It's not like XRP, it boomed, but the chart looks pretty similar to XRP, because bread went parabolic at this stage, right? But I'm just a really believer on bread. And my target is $10 on bread, and right now it's 19 cents. So it's basically nothing right now. So this is a really nice project to look at and just think about it. It could generate a lot of money for you, and I think you should take the risk. And yeah, it could drop. It could drop to 8 cents again, right? It could drop easily, but it just like few percents that bread will drop down again to that level. It could drop to 15 easily, but to 10, 8, it would be really hard. But of course it's possible, but not on my watch, right? Not on my watch, because I would buy the dip, and don't let that happen. So bread is a nice choice. You should look at it, and you should still think. Then I was speaking about Aptos, and what Aptos did, it increased in price, of course. And this is just the beginning on Aptos. I think we're still early on Aptos, and think Aptos will show us more green days. And yeah, it's a nice journey with Aptos. It's working pretty nice, and I think right now, of course, it's a risky buy when we are like all going up, and like, the alt season is almost here, and we are pretty much close to alt season. So the start of alt season could happen maybe even this week, right? The alt season is going to happen, the start when Ethereum reaches 4K. Look, when Ethereum passed this support level here, so it's probably 4.1, right? And when Ethereum reaches that resistance level, altcoin season is starting. Ethereum is climbing, and altcoins are following Ethereum. And Ethereum is a nice buy, of course. And most of you are saying, yeah, Ethereum is a bad choice. Ethereum is dead right now and stuff like that, right? But you are wrong. You are really wrong. And yeah, like people are comparing with Solana, and Solana's chain is much better than Ethereum because of the speed, because of the things that Solana can do. But Ethereum is the GOAT. Ethereum is the OG of crypto altcoins. So a lot of still businesses building on Ethereum, and that's why Ethereum is just not gonna die, and it will stay for a long time. And I was saying in my last video that Ethereum is a good project because even Donald Trump holds $5.5 million on Ethereum. So, like, come on. He knows what he's doing, and he will decide what Ethereum can do. And talking about Donald Trump, when he becomes the president, he will start buying Bitcoin. He will start moving Bitcoin into treasuries. And I think United States will be holding a lot of Bitcoin and will be catching those drops when Bitcoin drops. But I was saying that Bitcoin should drop and catch those liquidations, but it's not happening right now. We are still holding, and we are still on 94K right now. And to be honest with you, I'm thinking that Bitcoin will reach 100K this week. It can happen in few days. It can happen. And I think it's going to happen. But first, we need to go a little bit down to catch those liquidations. So it's really hard to understand how Bitcoin is moving like that. It's really hard, And I thought it's going to be a trap, and we're going to those like 80K levels, but it's not happening. It's not happening, and it's really strange. And a lot of institutions are buying Bitcoin. MicroStrategy is buying Bitcoin every single day almost. I think yesterday Michael Saylor bought Bitcoin for $1.5 billion or something like that. Michael Saylor is the GOAT of Bitcoin, and he's buying Bitcoin at any price because he knows it's really cheap right now. And we are all starting to understand that Bitcoin is still cheap. And I remember those days like 10 years ago or something like that people were saying, if it's under 100K, it's a good buy on Bitcoin, right? But after 100K, when we reach 100K, we will still be saying that it's a good buy until like 1 million. It will be a good buy. And then when we reach 1 million, we're probably going to say that Bitcoin is cheap right now, and it will go to 10 millions, and it's a goodbye until 10 millions. So just understand that Bitcoin is not going to zero. It won't go to zero because we already adapted Bitcoin, and we are adapting it really, really quick right now. And that's that's amazing. That's what I want to see right now, and I really hope so. A lot of people will start to understand why Bitcoin is the number one asset, and I hope so. Germany will realize that they made a really bad decision by selling Bitcoin on 50 something K, 54 probably K, and that was really, really strange, right? Like I was posting, why they do they know something? And they were wrong. They were wrong. So I would say, change the government or something like that, because they missed a lot of money here. They missed a lot of money here by selling Bitcoin. And why? Did they made a better choice of investment? They invested that money somewhere else that made better returns than Bitcoin? I don't think so, because Bitcoin is moving amazingly, right? So I'm not sure what Germany is doing, but I hope so. They will learn the mistakes, and they will start holding Bitcoin and not selling it, because in the future it will be really, really hard to buy Bitcoin. And just think about it. If people want to buy it and they cannot buy it, the price will increase even more. And there's only 21 million Bitcoin. And of course, like 3 million Bitcoin is already lost in somewhere, right? So I would say it's like 17 million, 18 million Bitcoin left for all of us. And how we gonna split that? How we gonna split that amount of money? Of course, we have other cryptocurrencies, but Bitcoin is the real asset, right? Bitcoin is the real asset. And of course, by splitting, and when it will be hard to buy Bitcoin, then the Bitcoin price increase, then a lot of money will move to altcoins, and the altcoins explodes, right? But it's going to happen probably in 4 years, probably in 4 years, at 2028, when it will be hard to buy Bitcoin, and they will choose Ethereum, they will choose Solana, and Ethereum will cost around 80K. And 4 years right now, Ethereum is only 3K. And in 4 years, Ethereum will cost 80K. That's stupid. That's stupid. Who can imagine like that? This is crazy numbers. Like, this is really, really crazy numbers, right? Like 25x on what? But I still believe that. I still believe that Ethereum will explode. And Ethereum time is almost here. Ethereum will cross 7K in this cycle. And in the next cycle, it will be a hard bear market. We're going to see the lows again on crypto, right? But not on these main cryptocurrencies. Of course, they will drop. They will drop a lot, but we still got time. We still got like almost 1 year to see that sell off on crypto, because right now we are buying. We are buying, and we want to buy more. And this FOMO will last at least for a year. And this bull market is going to be the craziest bull market in the world. We had crazy bull markets before, but this one is going to be like crazy. And right now it's happening. Right now it's happening. Bitcoin reached all-time highs already. And this is just the beginning of something special. And when I'm saying something special is Solana in this cycle. something special is Solana, because the attention Solana is getting is worth more than $220. The Solana is really, really nice investment. It's amazing price right now. It's amazing. I don't care if it drops to like 150 again. I don't care, because you know what? Solana will go multiple X's. Solana will increase in price, and just look at that, how sweet it goes. It was pretty high, and like I would say, yeah, we reached that level when the sell-off happens, right? No, Solana is not going anywhere. It's just funny for me that people are saying Solana will drop a lot. It's not going to happen. I'm sorry for you guys, but I should offer you to hold your Solana. And the game is in crypto. The game is in crypto. Longer you hold, the better returns you get. And imagine holding Solana for 10 more years. After 10 years, you think Solana will cost you 100? You think you can buy Solana for 200? Like, come on. Solana after 10 years will cost probably 100K, because inflation, Bitcoin increasing, infinite. Solana will be the main blockchain because it's fast, it's simple, and a lot of businesses will start building more on Solana, and they maybe then Ethereum will go lower and Ethereum price will be lower than Solana's. But for now, of course, Solana is still behind on Ethereum, but it's just a matter of time when Solana is going to show us why Solana is the main blockchain right now. And yeah, it's really strange that Solana is cheap like that. I would say it could be like right now at least 2K with this Ethereum price, 3.5K right now. Solana should be 2K. And that's a simple math right here, that Solana is undervalued. Solana is underrated. And Solana is doing more than Ethereum right now. Solana is doing more than Bitcoin, of course, but Bitcoin is just the GOAT and different asset than Solana. But Ethereum and Solana are pretty much the same. And yeah, what my advice would be on Solana, you should buy Solana. You should buy Solana, and then you should stake it and leave it for 10 years. And then after 10 years, came back to me, tell me your story, that you put all of your random money that you won't use in surviving this game, you put on Solana and you staked it for 10 years. And now you're a billionaire. That's what I want to hear from you 10 years later. So today is enough, I guess. And I hope so you understand that this is not a financial advice, and it will never be and never is. And I'm just a YouTuber. I'm just a guy that speaks what I see. This is just my perspective. Before investing in anything, you should do your own research. And of course, enjoy the crypto hodl and hodl more, and peace.